Hello everyone, so today my lawnmower died and I went to Menards and got myself a new one. It is Troy-Bilt. This is what it looks like. It comes with a big bag. This thing is big. Has a little shield right there. Of course, manual instructions. And here's the mower. It is 21-inch blade. It is rear wheel drive. Of course, it's gas. Here's a filter for it. Here is for your water hose. After you're done mowing, you can rinse it off. Here's some adjustment. Here's the back one. It does use regular gas. Here's a little shield for the bag, and you have this little cover that goes in here if you are not using your bag. Just put it back in there, close that. Here's the oil to fill it up. The only thing I do not like about this is you have to add on. You cannot just flush it out and put new oil on. That is the only thing I do not like about this. So far it did pretty well job. It takes 2 of them bags to do this whole backyard and half of that front. Here's your levels, and here's to move your rear wheels. Here's the slow, here's the fast, and to adjust this cable, it's underneath it, and it's right there. So yeah, I think this is pretty good mower. First time use it today. I think it did a well job. Hi Rex. Hi buddy. Alright guys, so once you take this mower out of the box, this whole handle area will be folded over here. So all you have to do is just unfold it, and the only thing you have to do is put this screw, that screw to hold this part, this screw and this screw to hold the middle, and this screw to hold your pull handle. And next, it came with oil. I had to use this whole bag. Put it in your oil area, and of course don't forget your gas, and you are all good to go. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.